What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Bobby G, and we've got another video lined up in yet another great adventure with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I know, guys, it's been out for how many months? Like 8 months now, I think, or something like that. It has been a journey. But, you know, there's a brand that we got to get back into, and just going to show you guys. Let's just rip the Band-Aid off. That's going to be Spigen, okay? And they do have some other cases I'm going to try to check out. But today we're looking at this one in particular right here. And if you guys can tell, it is the Optik Armor. Okay, Optik Armor. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what gives it this crazy weird name. And if you can see on there, it's got a very interesting design. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, I saved you guys a little bit of time. I went ahead and put the phone in the side of the case for you. So let's go ahead and take a look around together. As you guys can see, this is the right-hand side where you got your power. You're gonna have these ridges all the way down that side, minus where the button areas are at for that grip, which it's actually got a pretty good grip on it, pretty good feel. Then you're gonna have your covered camera control button area, your cutout right there, your opening for your lanyard or your hand strap, however you get down. Then on the bottom, you can see right there, you've got your openings for your microphone, your speaker, and your USB-C. On the back, minimal branding right there at the bottom. And then of course, we've got the whole reason why you're buying this Optik Armor Mag Fit from Spigen. This right here, which we'll talk about that a little bit more in a second. Then on your left-hand side, you got your action, your volume up, your volume down. And then you can see, guys, these all have that open slit. Basically, the buttons are built into the case itself. You got more ridges all the way down the left side. So nothing wrong there. Good, good. So it's got a nice little, here's a side view for you guys for the back, bottom view. Now on the front, guys, it is gonna have a slightly raised, let's give it, looks like 2 hairs all the way around the top for face down protection. So it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. You're gonna have barely a lip, guys. Just being honest. Let's just bring this in. Where you guys didn't hear that? That's right. This big old chungus beefy metal piece right here is the reason why you're buying this case, I feel like, the most. Number one, oh my God, built-in kickstand. Built-in kickstand. So that's going to be a huge selling point right off the gate. If you're like, you know what, Bobby, I don't like when the kickstands are down here, la 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 la, this is going to be a different option for you. So built-in kickstand, but maybe you're one that was a fan of the rugged armor from Spigen. Right here, okay? So you like the flexibility of that case, like how it's flexible, but yet still protective with those ridges, but you just didn't like the camera protection, how much it provided, or you want one with the kickstand. This to me, this is not official, right? But this to me is gonna be the next level up. So it's like the rugged armor with that flexible material, that flexible TPU, but it's gonna have that better camera protection and the kickstand. So let's go ahead and check out the series of tests. We're gonna start off with the USB-C. Big Chungus is coming in right now. Let's just check the fit and then we'll get over to our MagSafe and then we'll do our shake and bake. So you guys can hear right there, our USB-C is plugged in. Now let's look at the bottom, guys. You guys can see right here on the left-hand side, sorry, right-hand side, and then the left-hand side right here, if that camera will cooperate with us. You're gonna have room on either side of that, guys, but just keep in mind, if you've got a big charger like this, it's gonna be a real tight fit at the top, and then of course, if you guys can see at that bottom. Okay, so USB-C, all good. Let's bring in our MagSafe. Bring in our puck. Okay, so we got our puck charging right there, no problems. Now just to check to see if this is gonna have some transfer, let's kind of move our MagSafe back and forth, see if any material or transfer is left over, just in case that might be something that bothers you. And you guys can see that just after that session, we do have transfer, and I think it's showing up on camera, that ring that it left behind, right? That material residue transfer ring that it got. So if it's gonna be something that bothers you, heads up. If you use MagSafe and you get this case, just know there's gonna be transfer. It's gonna leave that ring behind. If it doesn't bother you, keep moving, right? That comment wasn't for you. Now we've got USB-C, MagSafe worked, shake and bake. And then you're gonna have to stick around, guys, if I didn't already say it, to the very end for our weigh-in, because that's gonna be a huge factor of your purchase after the weigh-in. We got our Gamolo tripod, get it on there. shake the out of it. Okay. And you guys see it didn't go nowhere, okay? So I will tell you, going this, like if you're holding your MagSafe straight up, like, you know, like this, it's not going anywhere. It's super strong. Now, just keep in mind, though, if you have your MagSafe like this, and I shake it, because of all that weight, it may pull away from the MagSafe. But if you're just using it like in your car, so like to me, this is like the car orientation, or if you're using it as a tripod to like film stuff, hey, you're shaking and you're moving, it's not going anywhere, okay? So that's going to be a pass on the Bobby G channel. Now, let me go ahead and do my outro, and then I'll let you know, guys, how much this weighs, okay? It's got to wait for the very end for that. So, all in all, guys, this case is running $26.99 right now on Amazon, okay? Now, for the money, do I feel like it's worth it? Absolutely. Absolutely. This is going to be a case, especially if you like the rugged armor. If you like the rugged armor, you just want a kickstand built in, and you want better camera protection, why are you even second guessing buying this optic armor from Spigen? Like, again, built-in kickstand, extra beefy camera protection. The only thing that I don't like about this case, well, a couple things that I've observed right now, right? I gotta be honest with you guys' feedback. The transfer that was left behind from using MagSafe maybe twice on this, you guys can see that ring that's left behind. That's one gripe. And of course, the lip. The face down protection, right? It's got a couple of hairs. It's got a little bit of a lip on it with the screen protector like I have on right now, but it's like minimal, guys. It's minimal. Okay, so all in all, guys, again, I think it's a worthy purchase, especially if those features that I mentioned, if they're not up your bag, save yourself a little bit of money and just get the rugged armor, which I'll link that video somewhere here so you guys can check that out and make a decision for yourself. Now let's go ahead and do the weigh-in. And after the weigh-in, guys, you take off, you enjoy yourselves. Have a good day. And if you consider supporting the channel, use the link in my video description at no cost to you. Guys, and listen, over, I'd say about 90% of people that check out my videos, which, by the way, thank you, are not subscribed to the channel. So do me a huge favor, take like 2 seconds out of your day, like, comment, and subscribe to this video to help me out. Let's do the weigh-in. Okay, in this case, drum roll, Pete, please, is gonna be 95 grams. Holy crap. Guys, if you watch my channel, you've seen any of my case reviews or case stuff and case, I can tell you right now, this is the heaviest freaking case on my channel so far this year at 95 grams. And I think it's all gonna be due to this super heavy metal plate on their kickstand that they got. It makes this case a lot heavier. So holy crap, that's heavy. That was it, guys. That was the thing you waited around for. It's your boy, Bobby G. Appreciate your time. Peace.